I just came from being in the Philippines of having Duterte as our president. Mindanao, talagang tatak sa amin yun And then now we have Sara Duterte as vice president and then si BBM. So akala ko talaga we're gonna keep moving forward. Fast track 3 years later, ang daming Supreme Court cases, durog dito, durog dyan, tanimbala, bumalik na, meron na namang
Rape,
suyop, rape
ganun.
dito, at saka yung commotion sa ICC. Helpless na naman ako, man. It's like I'm back to my activism days na naman na saan ba tayo lulugar? Now it's more divided kasi yung nga, when somebody's given a mic and they start to use statistics and start to throw dirt at people that they're not supposed to throw dirt at, nandito na tayo ngayon na the divisiveness of the Philippine society, which we are islands by the way, it's all in front center na. Kung ano yung nanghinagkip natin noon, if that's the right word, about Mindanao's, how they feel about people in the north, it's coming into fruition again and we're divided by that. So right now, parang galit, naawa ko sa ating sitwasyon and at the same time, I just want to speak about it.